Welcome to RefreshNest, your ultimate destination for home improvement tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into the world of bedroom revamping, where we'll explore 9 budget-friendly ideas to transform your space into a cozy retreat. Whether you're looking to enhance relaxation, boost productivity, or simply elevate the aesthetics of your bedroom, we've got you covered. Let's get started on this journey to create your dream bedroom without breaking the bank. Chapter 1. Declutter and Organize. The first step in revamping your bedroom is to declutter and organize. Clear out any unnecessary items, donate what you no longer need, and find creative storage solutions to keep your space tidy and functional. From underbed storage bins to wall-mounted shelves, there are plenty of budget-friendly options to help you maximize space and minimize clutter. Chapter 2. Freshen up with paint. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders in reviving a tired-looking bedroom. Consider painting an accent wall for a pop of color, or opt for a soothing, neutral tone to create a serene atmosphere. With a little paint and elbow grease, you can completely transform the look and feel of your bedroom without breaking the bank. Chapter 3. Upgrade your bedding. Investing in high-quality bedding is essential for creating a cozy and inviting bedroom retreat. Look for soft, breathable fabrics like cotton or linen, and consider layering with throws and accent pillows to add texture and warmth. Don't forget to mix and match patterns and colors to reflect your personal style and create a cohesive look. Chapter 4. Create a relaxation zone. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation. Create a dedicated relaxation zone with comfortable seating, soft lighting, and calming decor elements. Whether it's a cozy reading nook by the window or a plush armchair with a side table for your morning coffee, carving out a space for relaxation will help you unwind and recharge after a long day. Chapter 5. Incorporate natural elements. Bringing the outdoors in can instantly elevate the ambiance of your bedroom. Incorporate natural elements like plants, wood accents, and woven textures to add warmth and depth to your space. Not only will these elements enhance the aesthetics of your bedroom, but they'll also improve air quality and promote a sense of well-being. Chapter 6. Personalize with art and decor. Inject your personality into your bedroom with carefully curated art and decor pieces. Whether it's a gallery wall of your favorite prints, a collection of meaningful keepsakes, or a statement piece of furniture, adding personal touches will make your bedroom feel uniquely yours. Get creative and have fun expressing yourself through your decor choices. Chapter 7. Illuminate with lighting. Good lighting is essential for creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere in your bedroom. Incorporate a mix of overhead lighting, task lighting, and ambient lighting to suit your needs and preferences. Consider adding dimmer switches or string lights for added flexibility and ambiance. Don't forget to take advantage of natural light during the day by keeping curtains and blinds open to let in sunlight. Chapter 8. DIY projects and upcycling. Get crafty and save money by incorporating DIY projects and upcycling into your bedroom revamp. From painting old furniture to repurposing household items into decor pieces, the possibilities are endless. Not only will DIY projects add character and charm to your bedroom, but they'll also give you a sense of accomplishment and pride in your handiwork. Chapter 9. Final touches and finishing details. It's the little things that make a big difference in creating a cozy bedroom retreat. Add final touches and finishing details like scented candles, plush rugs, and luxurious curtains to complete the look and feel of your space. Take your time to carefully curate each element, and don't be afraid to experiment until you find the perfect balance of comfort and style. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our guide to revamping your bedroom on a budget. Armed with these 9 budget-friendly ideas, you're ready to transform your space into a cozy retreat where you can relax, recharge, and unwind. Remember, the key to creating your dream bedroom is to infuse it with your personality and style. So don't be afraid to get creative and make it your own. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and happy revamping!